Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be about my two go-to styles that I have been rocking throughout my loc journey so far. The frizz has been real, so I said nope, I need to just stick to what I know, and I have just been rocking with these two styles, with this one being one of them. So if you are interested, or if you're on your loc journey and you want to figure this thing out too, keep watching. So as you can see, this is my first go-to style. I have just been rocking this half up, half down, little updo situation, with my hair being out mostly in the back and then some to the top. Like I said, frizz has been my challenge throughout this entire journey so far. So I've just been trying to figure out like new ways of how to minimize the frizz and making sure that your girl is still cute. So with this first style, I'm going to take it down so I can show you my process of how I've been styling it, and then we'll jump right into the second style. Alrighty, so I went ahead and took my hair out. You can still kind of see the indent in my hair, so it's going to make this a lot easier for me to style. But typically if I am transitioning out of a different style, it will be like way back or it'll be all the way up. You get the point. So the first thing that I do, I typically use my spray bottle. I'm not going to do it for this video only because I've already done that and I don't want my hair to get re-wet, just not now at least. I typically will spray my hair just to give my hair some love, some moisture, make sure that you know, it's just getting the attention that it needs. And then I'll follow up with my oils and make sure that moisture is on lock for the entire day. So after I do those two steps of adding moisture back to my hair with water and then with my oils, I then go ahead and I separate my hair. So I like majority of the back of my hair to be full, so I only have a little bit towards the front, as you can see right here. If you personally want to have more hair towards the front, it is totally up to you, but pretty much this is how I like to rock my hair for this style. I like to go in with my Shine and Jam gel, and I absolutely love this just because it does not like feel it doesn't give me that like super sticky effect that like most gels do, and the hold is like phenomenal without it being crunchy and hard. I'm not going to also be using this in this video only because I've already done all of this, but I just wanted to show you the process of my styles. Okay. So when I have it at a nice comfortable position like so, I will go ahead and use my scarf, tie down my hair. Typically I'm doing this style like at night, so it never like it will never be like just as I'm getting ready to go out, because I do want the hair to be laid. So once I get it to a nice comfortable spot and my hairs are laid down for my scarf, what I typically do next is I grab a little clip. And this is the clip that I've been using because I've been noticing that through this starter loc journey, I don't have thick locks, obviously. So I can't do like the cute clip styles that everybody else is doing yet, because like, I don't know, it don't be hitting the way it needs to hit like other people's when they have like full-on locks, or at least are like 6 to 9 months in. So I'm trusting my journey and I'm being patient, and thus me having my little baby clip. We gonna do what it do with this little baby clip. I go ahead and I just clip it right close to where the scrunchie is, like so. And I try my best to get all the hairs in as possible because I don't like when they hang forward like awkwardly. So I have it just like that, and then I kind of like play with it, position where I need it to be, and we cute, we cute. This is simple, but yep, we cute. This is as simple as it gets, and I just do my thing the whole, what am I even saying? I just be going about my business and my hair be cute. So now for the second look, it is pretty similar to this, where I've literally just flipped my hair all the way up and then secure it with the clips. Alrighty, so my hair is down. What I like to do is pull all of my hair to the top, but leaving the last 4 out because I just like that look. I mean, you don't have to. If all of your hairs can fully go up, by all means, you can do that. For some reason, these four have shrunken so much that they cannot stay up. I have to pin them. So I'm like, I'm gonna just leave them down until like whatever. I'm not gonna lie, she mad cute right now. Like, she's literally mad cute. Like, I feel like when I'm intentionally trying to style my hair like this, it look weird. But then if I'm doing it just for fun, she gotta be like this. Why she gotta be like this? Like, you could either leave it like this. Actually, this video is going to transition into something else because I thought I only had 2 styles, but I noticed that like I be rocking it this way too. And with the first style, I noticed that instead of the clip, sometimes I even do the little like bun look. We got a total of 4 styles. 4 styles that can like crisscross in between each other, so it is what it is. So I kind of just like put it right here, and then I grab my clip and just clip it. And that's it. Just like that. Just like it, just like that. And then real quick, just to go back to that initial style, I got my scrunchie and I'm gonna just do my little bun situation real quick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know, this video was supposed to start off with 2 styles and it transitioned to like 4, so it was all over the place, but these are my go-to styles. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was very helpful for anyone who is starting out their journey and can't figure out styles that they can rock while the frizz be frizzing. So hopefully that was helpful. I am so excited for my next video and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye!